Hello, my name is Microsoft Sam. I'm the text-to-speech voice included on Windows 2000 and XP. My ROFLcopter goes swa 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 swa. Fa 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 fa. I always think my ROFLcopter sounds are hilarious, don't you? That's why in this video, we're going to see if Victor from the HP Tour Guide, my good friend, as this video's guest star, can copy them. Here he comes.
Hello, my name is Victor. I'm from the HP Tour Guide. Microsoft Sam's ROFLcopter goes. Swa 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 swa. LOL. That's so funny. Thanks Microsoft Sam, my friend, and thank you viewers for watching this short video. See you next time.
Fa fa. What do you think of Victor's attempt of making my ROFLcopter sounds? I think he did a good job. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment and rate.